Today I woke up craving some costillitas de puerco and I decided that I was going to show you guys how to make them today. I'm going to be making costillas de puerco en chile verde. Las costillitas de puerco are super easy to make. They come out so soft, so delicious. You guys, if you try this recipe, you're going to enjoy them. Las voy a hacer con tomatillo. I'm going to be making them with tomatillo, chile jalapeño, serrano, y un poquito de chile arbol, just so that it can give it a little spice. Let me show you guys how to make them. These are the ingredients for the costillas de puerco. 1.5 pounds of pork ribs, 6 tomatillos, 2 jalapeño peppers, 2 serranos, and 6 chiles de árbol, 1/4 of a white onion, 2 garlic cloves, cilantro, and our spices, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and some salt and pepper. We're gonna start off by cutting our ribs into smaller pieces. This should be a good size. Okay, once our meat is cut, we're gonna transfer it to the pot. It was already previously washed. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. This is you just add as much as you want. We're gonna add some water. It's enough until the meat is covered. Cover it up and put it on medium heat for like 30 minutes. On this hot skillet, I'm gonna start roasting the ingredients for the salsa. The garlics and the onion are ready, so I'm gonna put them in the blender. We're still waiting on the chiles and the tomatillos. Tomatillos are ready. So they're gonna go in the blender as well. Oh. I took some of the skin off and this is how the chiles should look. And then we're gonna add those chiles de árbol. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, the chicken bouillon, the oregano. I forgot we also need cilantro. Okay, so it's been about 40 minutes and we're gonna check on the meat. What we're looking for is for the water to be dry, which it looks like it is already, so that the ribs can start frying. We want them very, very fried. Look at how perfectly fried they are. And now we're gonna add our salsa. Now we're gonna mix it. This is a moment where you can try and see if you want more salt or more nor. For me, it's perfect. Uy, está súper rico. La verdad que ahora sí me volé la barda. We're gonna let it simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, our 5 minutes are up. Y ya está lista las costillitas. Miren qué ricas se miran.
Ya me dio hambre.
Ok, ya tengo mi platito de arroz. And now, el momento de la verdad, muchachas y muchachos. Se ve delicioso. Ok, plebes, llegó el momento de la verdad. Moment of truth. ¿La verdad? The meat is so tender, guys.
¿Está buena?
Sí.
Déjame. Te lo vas a acabar.
Super, super delicioso. Okay, that's it for this one, guys. I really hope you guys try and make these costillitas de puerco. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy them. I'm also gonna be making costillas de puerco con chile rojo with nopales. They are amazing. If you guys are interested in that video, let me know in the comment. Also, please, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.